Popo!
Hi friends, it's Popo, let's draw today. Get your pencil ready, come on, let's play. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's begin with the eyes. Wow, beautiful eyes! Now let's draw the mouth and nose. A natural artist! Let's draw the face now. Great! Now with the headdress. Awesome! How about this cute skull? Beautiful! Let's go to this part. Great! Let's draw the body and the feet now. Almost there! How about these cute little hands? And to finish, the pointy tail. Yay! Congratulations, artists! Great job! See? I know you can do it. Send us your artwork so we can feature it on our next video.
Hi friends, it's Popo, let's draw today. Get your pencil ready, come on, let's play. 3, 2, 1, go.
Popo,